What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to deal with math and chemistry questions, start now by subscribing this channel and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. In this video I want to show you how many different ways can you arrange the letters of the word arrangement. So the first thing I need to count how many letters I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have 11 letters. Then I need to see which one is repeating. R is repeating twice. A also repeating twice. E is repeating twice. And also N is repeating twice. So it's going to be A 2 times, R 2 times, N 2 times, and E 2 times as well. So out of 11, 8 of them is repeating. The 3 non-repeating is here. It's going to be M, T, and G. So 11 factorial divided by 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial. So it's going to be, so when you rate it, it's going to be 11 times 10 all the way to 1. In denominator we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So in numerator we have 39916,800, which is 39,916,800 divided by 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is going to be 16. That will be 2494800. So it's going to be 2,494,800 ways to arrange this arrangement word. Let's solve it in another way. We have 11, choose 2. Then when you take 2 out, for example the A, you have 9 letters. Again, 2 of them like are the same. Then when you take it out, it's going to be 7. Next one is going to be N. Take it out, it's going to be 5. And the next one is going to be E. Take it out. And when you take 2 out of 5, you have just 3 non-repeating letters. So here, 11 choose 2 is going to be 11 factorial divided by 2 factorial. 11 minus 2 is going to be 9 factorial. Then 9 factorial divided by 2 factorial divided by 7 factorial. 7 factorial divided by 2 factorial, 5 factorial. Then you have 5 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial times 3 factorial. Then I start cancelling. 3 factorial cancel out. 5 factorial and 5 factorial cancel out. 7 and 7 cancel out. 9 and 9 cancel out. So that's gonna simplify to 11 factorial divided by 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial, and 2 factorial, which is gonna be exactly what we have here, and the answer must be the same, 2,494,800 different ways to arrange the word arrangement. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you found this video useful, please like it and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day.